Hello friends, this is Lady and welcome to another educational video. Today I will share with you an example of my October newsletter. Friend, this is a quick video, enjoy. Here is a copy of my newsletter. It's only one page as you can see. The first thing you're gonna see is the month, the year, my logo. A newsletter will help keep parents updated and also involved. Here I also include little reminders, like for example, hours of operation, payment due, nap time hours, Child Health Day. I will stop here really quick. On October 3rd, we do celebrate Child Health Day. During this month, I do request vaccination record and also a physical from each child. And why I do this? Because the flu season comes around October, November. So I want to make sure that every child has already a physical and they have their vaccines. And every year I do the same thing. So that keeps me more organized because I know that in October I will be requesting this for my current families. And this is just a little reminder for my parents that in case a child gets sick, they have to stay at home for 48 hours before returning to care. I chose different shapes to make it more fun. And this month, I'm also asking for donations. Here, also in the hexagon, you can see meal times. In August, I get new families, so it's so important to just have that information for them. Okay, I have a better view, and I hope you guys can see more information here. In my newsletter, I also include a little bit about the theme of the month, and also the projects that I'm gonna be doing, any kind of celebrations, and the curriculum. So this month, the curriculum, I'm gonna be working in letter U, L, and H. The color of the month is black. The shape is the triangle again. And then the number is 567. And that is all for today. I hope you guys like this video and now you are inspired to start doing a newsletter for your childcare. If you like this kind of video and you want to see more newsletter, please like this video. Also subscribe. Click the notification button so you won't miss my new video. And before I forget, don't forget also to see the October calendar of 2020. Thank you so much for watching. Hasta pronto. See you soon.